Suppose you have an array like this in TypeScript and you want to convert it into an array of objects like this. How would you do it in Vim with single command? Of course, this is a cherry-picked example, as in this example, only the text property is changing, while the rest of the property stays the same. The size is fixed, the font is fixed, and the text property depends on the array elements. Of course, there are better ways to do this in TypeScript, like you can dynamically create this property using a for loop over the array. But doing this in Vim has its own challenge. We can do this in Vim using Vim substitute command. To enter into Vim's command mode, we press colon, and then to start the substitute command, we press S. With S, we do substitution on the current line. If you want to do substitution on the entire file, you would use %s. In our case, S is sufficient. Then we press V. V is used to enable Vim's very magic mode. With this, I don't need to escape the special characters in regex. I need to select the words which are in double quote. I can do that using the regex pattern. And I need to capture that in a capture group so that I can use it in replacement. To capture it in capture group, I use the brackets and then word to capture the word. This will capture the word. Then I use equal to. This tells when to treat the replacement string as an expression. And then I enter my replacement expression. Text. Then I use dot. Dot is a concatenation operator in Vim. Then use submatch function to get the word that was captured in the capture group, and then rest of the property. Rest of the property. With this command, I can do the replacement on the current line and convert the array into property. This is how it looks like. Right now, all the properties are on the current line, but to make it more readable, we would want each property on its own line. For that, we can use the carriage return pattern within the same command. But when you are using carriage return character, instead of using single quote to quote the string, we would use double quotes so that the carriage returns are evaluated in the string. And wherever we have double quote, we would need to escape them so that it gets evaluated properly. When we run that command, this is how the result looks like. That's all in this Vim tip. Thanks for watching, and do remember to subscribe for more such Vim tips.